Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 19 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. If you first visit Educational Wing, then subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was, which country is elected as the president of International Solar Alliance? France, Brazil, India, or option D, China? The correct answer here is India. Recently, India is re-elected as the president and France is re-elected as the co-president of the ISA, International Solar Alliance, okay, for a term of 2 years. It is okay. And the headquarters of the ISA, International Solar Alliance, is situated in Gurugram, Haryana, and the leader of the ISA is Upendra Tripathi. Okay, our second question was, when World Food Day is observed? 15 October, 16 October, 17 October, or option D, none of these? The answer here is 16 October. Every year on 16 October, World Food Day is observed. Okay. This day is celebrated to eradicate the worldwide hunger from our lifetime. Okay. And the theme of 2020 is grow, nourish, sustain, and together. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when 36th Rising Day of National Security Guard is observed? NSG, National Security Guard. 15 October, 16 October, 17 October, or option D, 18 October. The correct answer here is 16 October. Okay, the 36th Rising Day of the National Security Guard also observed in 16 October. Okay, National Security Guard. The NSG is established in 1984. It is also generally known as Black Cats. Headquarters is situated in Delhi, and the Director General of the NSG is Anup Kumar Singh. Anup Kumar Singh is the Director General of NSG. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who became the first Indian to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award? Ritika Sharma, Aishwarya Sridhar, Gauri Gill, option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is Aishwarya Sridhar. Aishwarya Sridhar became first Indian to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Okay, the announcement was made on October 13, 2020 at the Natural History Museum in London. It is announced by Natural History Museum in London. It is announced in, okay. You can see the image of Aishwarya Sridhar here. First Indian to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award. Okay. Next question. A night travel of nuclear capable missile Prithvi 2 successfully test fired from which state? Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, or option D, Kerala? The correct answer here is Odisha. Recently, a night trial of nuclear capable missile Prithvi 2 successfully conducted from a test range in Odisha. Okay, in Baleshwar district. The strike range of the missile is about 500 to 1000 kilometer. 500 to 1000 kilometer is the strike range of the Prithvi 2, the nuclear capable missile. Okay. Odisha is in news. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay. Next question. Chistura Hiranyakesi, a freshwater loach, has been discovered from which state? A freshwater loach means fish has been discovered from which state? Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, or option D, Gujarat? The correct answer here is recently in Maharashtra. Okay. Recently, the Chistura Hiranyakesi, a freshwater loach or the fish, has been discovered from the Maharashtra's Western Ghat. The meaning of the Hiranyakesi means golden hair. The mean of the Hiranyakesi in Sanskrit is golden hair. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. Capital is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has inaugurated Innovation and Incubation Center and Sports Complex in the permanent campus of IIT Jodhpur? Piyush Goyal, Narendra Modi, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, or option D, Prakash Javadekar. Union Education Minister, answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Recently, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has inaugurated the two facilities in Jodhpur. Those are, first is Innovation and Incubation Center, and another one is Sports Complex in the permanent campus of the IIT Jodhpur. Permanent campus of the IIT Jodhpur. Question number 6. India and Netherlands have discussed a joint thrust in which sector? Education, e-health, agriculture, or option D, dairy. The answer here is e-health. Recently, India and Netherlands have discussed a joint thrust in the e-health sector with the purpose of the providing digital health facility. Digital health facility. Recently, India and Netherlands have discussed about the e-health. Okay. Next question. In which union territory a 2 days fog and light music concert, Jashan-e-Harkut, inaugurated? Jammu Kashmir, Pondicherry, Chandigarh, or option D, Delhi. The correct answer here is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Recently in Jammu and Kashmir, advisor to Lieutenant Governor Bashir Ahmad Khan. Remember the advisor to the Lieutenant Governor. Lieutenant Governor is Manoj Kumar Sinha. For the advisor to the Manoj Kumar Sinha or the Lieutenant Governor Bashir Ahmad Khan inaugurated 2 days fog and light music concert. Name it Jashan-e-Harkut. Started in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next question. Which country's passport is considered as strong passport among the countries? New Zealand, America, Japan, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, New Zealand. Recently, the New Zealand has strongest passport in the world according to the latest global passport index. Okay. Previously, it is Japan. Previously in the last year, it is Japan, but recently New Zealand passport is the strongest passport among the world. Okay. Capital of the New Zealand is Wellington. Currency is New Zealand's dollar, and Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern. Jacinda Ardern is the Prime Minister of New Zealand. The national sports of New Zealand, can you guess? National sports of New Zealand is rugby. Rugby is the national sports of New Zealand. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. WhatsApp banking service is started by which bank? ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, HDFC Bank, or option D, PNB? The correct answer here is IDBI Bank. Recently, IDBI Bank has started WhatsApp banking for their customers. WhatsApp banking for their customers. The headquarters of the IDBI Bank is situated in Mumbai. In 1964. It is established in 1964. Okay, headquarters is in Mumbai, and the CEO of IDBI Bank is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is the CEO of IDBI Bank. Okay. Question number 10. Who is topped in Global Hunger Index 2020? Global Hunger Index 2020. Belarus, Bosnia, Brazil, or option D, India. The correct answer here is Belarus. Belarus is in the first position in the Global Hunger Index 2020. Bosnia is in the second position, and Brazil is in the third position in Global Hunger Index 2020. And our country, India, is in 94th position in Global Hunger Index among 107 countries. It is among 107 countries. Okay. I hope you got all the facts and the answer also now. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who has announced My Town, My Pride program? Our second question is, who is the author of book titled The Battle of Belonging? Please try to give the answer in more in comment section. It is helpful for you. A regular practice is done by you, and a connecting link between you and educational wing will be established. Okay, and suggest your suggestion if you like the session and what kind of improvement you want to be see in this session. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you first visit educational wing, then a humble request to you to subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you, have a great day.